Alright, nifty new lamp. This is off. This is on. Wow. Night light. Various different settings here. Got a 30-minute timer, an hour timer, bright, dim. You can step it up. You can jump to the next color temperature over. Lovely remote. And it's magnetic. Look at that. Straighten that baby out. Fantastic lamp. Check it out. It also has the floor switch. Ta-da. So if you don't have your hands free and you're popping in the room, you can do it. There's a nice shade here. It does have a little seam at the back of the shade. It did include the light bulb as well. It's a fantastic little find. It will definitely help with reading and illuminating the room. Wonderful. Very pleased.
So I just put this sucker together, and there we go. It's got a little foot pedal there. So, I mean, it is daytime outside, so there might be some backlighting from the blinds, but it's okay. It comes with a night light mode. That's the night light mode. And then you can make it like whiter lighting or warmer lighting with just a couple presses of these buttons. And then the coolest part, I think, is it magnetically attaches to the lamp itself. As you can see, the shade's a little wibbly wobbly, but this isn't really a lamp that you want like around kids, probably. It's a little bit cheaper than sturdy, but as a nice accent lamp, you know, for the price I got it for, not too bad. So overall, pretty happy purchase.